Okay, I have got a Maytag Centennial washer. It has plenty of options here, lots of different options, different temperatures, auto temperatures, fabric softener, the soil level, which determines how long it's going to agitate, extra rinse, and then several options. I'm doing an express wash, mostly jeans and some other garments, but mostly jeans. Kind of cool, the lid switch engages, shuts off the water, but the water actually comes out of these three spots here. It's just kind of neat. This one fills all the way up, there's no shortage on water at all, so your clothes get nice and clean. The agitator works as it's supposed to. It's only supposed to move in one direction, never supposed to be able to move it back the other direction. That's how you know whether it's working or not. Close that down. So it's going to fill up and then it'll agitate. It'll go through the rinse, so it'll drain, fill back up, agitate some more, and then the final spin. And so what I'll do is let you come back and listen to that final spin, that it sounds real good, and of course it's not wobbly or shaky or anything like that. So we'll come right back to that and then we'll show you the dryer. It's going through the agitation right now. You can hear it, sounds real good. Plenty of water in there. And here we are in the final spin. Now this machine here now has a brand new clutch assembly, a brand new motor coupler. So it's going to spin really fast, just like a brand new machine. So super heavy load inside of it. Sounds great. It's not wobbly or off balance or anything like that, but you can actually hear that it is spinning very fast. And had you heard it before I replaced that stuff, had a very weak spin, and now it sounds like a brand new machine. I'm going to lift this lid up, and when I do, it's going to stop it, but you'll be able to see it's got a very fast, very powerful spin on it. Starts back up here. So I'm going to let that finish out. It'll spin anywhere 5-7 minutes, and then we'll move those over and I'll show you the dryer and show you that the dryer heats correctly. I think I get back up to speed here. Excellent. That didn't take very long at all to get right back up to full speed. Not that you should open the lid anyway, but just in case, I like to show people what it looks like, and then it indeed is spinning very fast. Okay, so that is clean and cleared out. I've now got those clothes moved over here to the dryer. Light works and everything. We're just gonna go, we'll just go jeans more dry on the auto setting. Just leave all that stuff off and go high heat, hit go. As you can see and hear, it runs great, sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. That just gives you the outside temp of whatever that little red dot is on. So I'm going to shoot that in here. That's where the heat comes out, that little tube right there. You see there's plenty of heat coming out of there. And that tube itself will get up to about 300 degrees, and the inside of the dryer will get anywhere from about 100 degrees all the way up to 195. Just kind of depends on what the setting is. We kicked it up on high, so once it gets a minute to really get going and get pretty hot in there. But there you have it. They sound great, they run great. I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.